Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our first session on marketing fundamentals. Today, we're going to lay the foundation for your understanding of marketing by exploring its core concepts, the marketing mix, and customer-centric marketing. These are the building blocks that will support everything else you learn about marketing during your MBA journey. Let's begin with a simple question. What is marketing? At its core, marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. In other words, marketing is all about understanding and meeting the needs of customers profitably. Now, one of the most fundamental concepts in marketing is the marketing mix, often referred to as the 4 Ps: product, price, place and promotion. Product. This refers to what you're selling. It could be a physical good, a service, or even an idea. When we talk about the product, we're also talking about the quality, design, features, branding, and packaging. It's about making sure that what you're offering meets the needs of your target market. Price. This is how much you charge for your product or service. Pricing strategies can vary greatly depending on factors such as costs, competition, and the perceived value of your product by the consumer. It's not just about covering costs, but also about positioning your product in the market. Place, also known as distribution, this is about where and how your product is available to consumers. It's about making sure that your product is accessible to the people who need it. This could involve online channels, physical stores, or direct sales. Promotion. This involves all the ways you tell customers about your product and persuade them to buy it. Promotion includes advertising, public relations, social media marketing, and sales promotions. The goal is to communicate the benefits of your product and differentiate it from competitors. In today's market, being customer-centric is key to success. So, what does it mean to be customer-centric? It means that your marketing strategies and operations are designed around the needs and preferences of your customers. It's not about pushing products onto customers, but about understanding their needs and delivering value that resonates with them. This shift towards customer centricity means that businesses need to be more agile, more responsive, and more connected to their customers than ever before. With the rise of digital technologies, customers now have more choices and more power, so understanding them is critical. Let's take a look at a few examples. Consider Apple, a company renowned for its customer-centric approach. Apple doesn't just sell products, it sells an experience. Their marketing strategy focuses on creating a deep emotional connection with their customers, which has fostered an incredibly loyal customer base. Another example is Amazon, which has mastered the art of customer-centric marketing by offering personalized recommendations, a seamless shopping experience, and outstanding customer service. These companies don't just meet customer expectations, they exceed them. In summary, today's session covered the basics of marketing, the importance of the marketing mix, and the shift towards customer-centric marketing. As we move forward, we'll dive deeper into each of these areas, exploring how they apply in real-world scenarios and how you can leverage them to create successful marketing strategies. For our next session, we'll focus on consumer behavior. I want you to think about how your own behavior as a consumer is influenced by the marketing efforts you encounter daily. How do companies capture your attention, and what makes you choose one product over another? We'll discuss these questions in detail next time. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in the next class.